Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make threads private. If you want to keep your threads profile away from the public, so you can make your threads account private in just a few steps. So once your account is private, only approved followers can see your posts, replies, and follower list. So here's how to do it. Open the Threads app, then tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So I'm right here. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. So once you're here, scroll down and go to privacy. Next, at the top, select Profile Privacy, then enable Private Profile. So make sure you toggle this on and confirm if prompted. So after enabling a private profile, only people you approve can follow you. Your posts and replies are visible only to approved followers. New follow requests require your approval, and existing followers remain approved unless you remove them. So, can you make threads private without making Instagram private? So, yes, your threads privacy setting is separate from your Instagram account. Making your threads profile private does not change your Instagram profile's privacy settings. And that's basically it. So, if your threads profile is managed differently because of age restrictions or account settings, some privacy options may vary. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.